All right, so here we are on the range with the Hatsan Sortie, and this is the red dot that I was talking about I had put on there. Not really a fan of this particular red dot or even the style, but it was inexpensive. And it gave me an opportunity to try it out and determine for sure that I don't like it. It's too small. It's really for a pistol, and maybe in that application it works, but in this one it does not. Now the Sortie is considered a handgun, even though it has a stock. So I'm going to be putting a group out there from 30 feet. And if the weather continues to cooperate, it's actually drizzling right now. And I'll get that 30 foot group out, and then we'll see where we go from there. All for mag. Let's go take a look. Not too bad. And I did not shoot that group slowly. I'm going to shoot one more group up here, and we'll see what we get. All right, I'm going to be shooting these 13.7 grain domed Crosman generic, just for recreational shooting. I was going to show you how to load the Sortie mag. So first things first, it starts like this. Take it, go completely counterclockwise. Turn it over. Take your pellet and put it in with the dome facing away from the clear plastic. Once that's in, you put your finger over the hole, roll it over, and you start loading your pellets. This time you'll load them with the dome down. Just like that. Notice that the red dot is a little loose, so I'm not shooting the full potential of this sight. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some headshots now. Finish out this mag, and then we're done. Now that's two mags. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It'll show up on the camera. Two mags. We went from 200 bar down to 100 bar. Basically, two mags is all you're going to get at full power. After that, it's going to fall off, and you're not going to get the velocities like you were. And these are the results of the Sortie there. Now, I was shooting kind of quick. Even so, obviously I was pulling to one side, but not too bad.